fuck is that noise? Jesus. Good morning, guys. Today is... I don't even know what day it is today. Wednesday? Thursday? Oh my fucking god, it's Thursday. And we're heading to... we gotta head to the train station to catch the bus. Fuck, it's early as shit right now. It's 6:56 and we gotta leave in 4 minutes, basically. Exhausted. But we're gonna make it.
Okay, we're on the bus now. First stop is going to be Siena, and Ivan's legs don't fit in this bus. Look. Okay guys, so we just got to Siena, and Ivan and I, so this day trip, there's a walking tour in Siena. Ivan and I opted out of that when we bought the tickets. And so when we're on the bus, the lady comes up to us and she's like, okay, like you guys opted out of the walking tour, but I just wanted to let you know there's two things you should make sure that you see. You have to see these two things, so I want to make sure you see them. It's the like main square and the cathedral. And we're like, okay, and she's like telling us where they are and how to get there. And then she's like, okay, and then the final meeting point for everybody is exactly the same. I'll show you when we get off. She's like, since you're not on the walking tour, you can leave your radios in the bus because they give you like radios. And we're like, okay. Ivan's literally the whole time like nodding at her like, okay, perfect, awesome, thank you. And then we get off and Ivan's like, shouldn't we grab our radios? And I'm like, no, Ivan, she literally told us to leave it on the bus. And he's like, are you sure? Like everyone else has one. And I'm like, no, Ivan, like, were you listening? She literally said, leave it on the bus because you're not on the walking tour. And then he's like, we're not on the walking tour? Are you sure? No, she just said we didn't have tickets into the cathedral. And I'm like, no, Ivan, we opted out of the walking tour. Like, did you not hear a thing she said? Like, she was telling us where to go since we opted out of the walking tour. He's like, no, I don't think so. And we argued literally the whole way here because he didn't believe that, he thought we were on the walking tour and we just didn't get tickets into the cathedral. I'm like, no, like, how did you not listen to a word she said? And sure enough, we get off the bus and I was right and he was wrong. And now he's embarrassed.
I don't give a shit. We've been walking for way too long. We're trying to find the Duomo, some church.
And the sign, so there's a sign over there that says Duomo this way. And then we walk this way, and the next street over, there's a sign that says this way. But
we can't find it.
We don't fucking see it anywhere.
And this fucking city's built on a hill, so our legs are destroyed right now at this point. Wish us luck. Okay,
so actually we passed it like 4 times, and the sign that we kept seeing that was confusing us was for a hotel, not the actual thing. So this is it.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we actually passed it like 1,000,000 times. Yeah, so we have an hour left here in Siena, and we have to go back on the tour bus, so we're just gonna walk around and explore. Ivan's heart is currently exploding because he had a coffee, and then we have this, so a lot of caffeine real quick. Okay, we're at Gelateria Dondelei, which is apparently the best ice cream in the world. That's what our tour guide said. So we're waiting in line now.
Pretty good line.
What do you think? Was it the best ice cream in the world? Rating out of 10?
8 out of 10. What about you?
I concur, also 8 out of 10. I still think Gelato Fantasy in Venice was like 9 or 10 out of 10. Like, I think it's amazing. Like, best we've had yet.
She's onto something there.
I thought you said this was better.
No?
Now he's switching up in front of the camera. Okay, bye guys. Ivan just pulled out this energy drink that's probably like 5 hours old. How warm is it?
Like hot tea.
Gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. It's like 3:23. We have like 30 more minutes here, and then we're going to Pisa. So we're just trying to get some more energy. We've already done like 15,000 steps, and it's fucking hot out, bro. So
Look at this cute street.
yeah, this street is so cute. We're just like sitting on this little bench. Look, I'll show you. Please. Look at this cute little bench. It literally looks like it's been here for like 400 years. It's so cute.
How many people do you think have shit themselves on here?
Just you.
Why are there so many muskrats?
Ivan keeps calling these dogs muskrats.
They're so fucking nasty. Look at that thing.
Look at these adorable water fountains that are everywhere. Like, Ivan's literally gonna fill my water here. And it's like ice cold too.
Oh shit.
Thanks.
My lady.
Look how cute.
What is that bee doing here? Relax.
Literally everywhere I look, it's just like the most insane view. Like, look at this. Imagine you live here and this is your little patio. Look at that view. Crazy.
That's a real pig.
Really? Ew.
Heading back to the bus now.
I never want to leave here. This is probably my favorite place.
It's fucking insane. The views from everywhere are crazy.
Actually, well, after Venice.
Yeah.
But like the views here are the best I've ever seen in my entire life.
So we're heading back to the bus, which is gonna take us to Pisa, which is our last stop.
Yep.
So that'll be fun. We'll get to see the Leaning Tower
Hell yeah.
and shit like that. Oh my god, it's hot. Bye. We made it to Pisa. We're both exhausted. My heel's falling apart.
But there it is.
There it is. Alright, I don't know what the last clip was because the fucking camera died while we were at Pisa. So it's probably something there. But anyway, we got home maybe like, I want to say 30 minutes ago. We got some pizza on the way. Some calzones or something. Some drinks. What the fuck is going on with my phone, bro? Anyway, the Wi-Fi's trash. But yeah, it's our last night in Florence. Tomorrow we leave for Manarola, which is gonna be really nice. So tonight, right now, bro, I'm so tired. We're both gonna shower right now, then we're gonna start drinking, and because basically tonight's our only night to go out in Florence. So that's the plan. Send.
Yes?
Are you ready?
No, I need to drink faster. Hey guys, so we're absolutely zooted drunk right now. We're going out to this bar literally called Fuck.
Literally called Fuck.
F-U-K, YouTube, don't ban us. It's literally called F-U-K, Fuck. So we're gonna go have some drinks there. It closes in like an hour and a half. It's 12:40 right now, and we literally have to get up at 8:30 in the morning so that we can like pack and check out by 10 a.m. And then we're taking a train to Manarola, which is in Cinque Terre. So yeah, but we're probably not gonna vlog while we're out at this bar right now because we're not gonna bring our big camera and like I mean maybe I'll try to vlog some clips on my phone and it's
Highly
sort of
unlikely.
here, but I would say highly unlikely. So bye, and we'll see you tomorrow when we're on our way to the next destination, guys.